Hello, friends! Welcome back to another fun and creative video. Today, we're going to learn about some amazing digital tools in MSPaint or any drawing software that help you create and improve your artwork. We will also talk about what challenges you might face and how the magic undo button can help when things go wrong. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up is the pencil tool. Just like using a real pencil, this tool lets you draw thin lines and shapes. You can use it to outline your drawings, create sketches, or even add tiny details. For example, you can draw a house or a fun shape with the pencil tool. It's great for getting those fine lines just right. Next, we have the shape tool. Want to draw a perfect circle or a neat square? The shape tool makes it super easy. You can pick from lots of shapes like circles, squares, triangles, and more. It's perfect for drawing things like windows, stars, or even balloons. Now comes the fun part, the fill tool. Once you've drawn your shapes and outlines, the fill tool lets you add colors inside them. Just pick a color, click inside the shape, and voila! Your drawing comes to life with bright colors. It's like pouring paint into your picture without making any mess. The paintbrush tool is another cool tool that helps you add artistic touches to your drawing. You can make soft or thick strokes, almost like using a real paintbrush. It's perfect for adding fun patterns, shading, or even creating backgrounds for your artwork. Oops! Did you make a mistake? No problem. The eraser tool is here to save the day. Just like a real eraser, it lets you erase any part of your drawing that you want to change. Whether it's a line that went the wrong way or a color that's out of place, the eraser tool can fix it. Sometimes, while using these tools, you might face challenges. Maybe you color outside the lines or accidentally erase something you didn't mean to. But guess what? There is a magic button that can help. It's called the undo button. Just one click, and your mistake disappears. It lets you go back in time and fix what went wrong. So, with the pencil tool, shape tool, fill tool, paintbrush tool, and eraser tool, you can create amazing digital artwork. And if things don't go as planned, the undo button is always there to help. So go ahead and explore these tools to bring your imagination to life. Thanks for watching today's video. Now it's your turn to try these tools and create something awesome. See you next time, and keep drawing with your computer.